Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing devices and the network. Make sure your Android TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi because casting negotiates directly over that local network. Once done, open Google Home or a cast-enabled app on your phone. This finds the TV. You should set the TV to the Android TV input and confirm Chromecast built-in shows available. If the TV prompts for initial setup, finish it now. This step lets the devices authenticate and appear to each other. Next, initiate the cast session. Tap the cast icon in your streaming app or from Google Home. This instructs the phone to negotiate a session with the TV. You will see a list. Select your Android TV. Once connected, the TV streams directly, while your phone becomes a remote for playback, volume, and seek controls. Make sure to use app controls for subtitle and audio track selection, because casting hands most playback duties to the TV's Chromecast software. To finish, stop casting by tapping the cast icon again or disconnecting in Google Home. This returns playback control to the phone. If the TV doesn't appear, restart the router, TV, and phone. Power cycling resolves common discovery issues. Make sure the app and TV firmware are updated, and verify router settings like client isolation aren't blocking device communication. If problems persist, restart the casting app and try joining the same Wi-Fi band. Switching between 4 GHz and 5 GHz can matter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.